Hey friends, so I'm excited. This pink lemonade treasure box from Potomac Beads is absolutely just gorgeous. So I pulled a couple of things that I think, I haven't designed anything yet, but I did pull a couple things to I think that I'm going to use to design. I definitely want to use these oh, they're cabochons, not beads? Oh no, they're beads. Okay. They're just flat. Okay. But look at those. I mean, they're just so pretty. So, we're going to use those. And I think some of the pearls and maybe, I think that's the wrong color crystal, and maybe some of these bicones. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Can you even see that? Oh my goodness. So much, there it is. Look at that. Look at that shine and sparkle. Oh my goodness. All right. So, I've got my beads. And then I pulled some ear wires and some eye pins. So hopefully this will all go well. Need to see. We will cut some pearls off here. Turn my mic. It'd be easier to not block, but I gotta turn the whole thing then. Maybe. Having issues here. All right, well, we'll come back to that. I was just trying to make space. I got my super duper looper. I got all my Potomac beads. Yay! Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's March. It's March. All right. We could certainly do flatheads too. Pinheads. I don't know. Instead of maybe. Oh no. Pearls can tend to have tight holes at the beginning. So we'll do that. I'm going to play around, see what we think. That might be. Come on. Haha. Oh, that is very pretty. Just simple. I wonder if I repeat it this way. Oh, I like that. Look at how pretty that is. Just simple. I like it with the pinheads. The pinheads. Yeah. Now I could try it the other way and just to see what it looks like. It's the joy of designing on the fly. Oh, I might like it better this way. Let's see.
We'll have to take a break from it in my room. Water update in peace.
Okay, so I have a decision to make. Which way I prefer it. Oh, they're both very pretty. I don't know. I actually think I like the first one. All right. Put that all on. So pearl, crystal, cabochon, crystal, and pearl. There we go. Yes, I like that. Alright, now we're going to use our super duper looper. One. We don't need a big loop because it's just attaching to the ear wires, so it's okay to use my smaller looper duper. Alrighty. Need some pliers. The neighbor kids are over, so that's why I hear the piano probably. Let me go close. Thankfully they're not playing super loud, but just trying to get a tiny opening here. I didn't have any rose gold wire, but I think the ear wires make it pop. Oh, I like those. Those turned out pretty. Very pretty. Alright, now the other thing I had, do the different route. I could do pearls, I could do wrong end, I could do 3 pearls, or 3 crystals. I think I don't know. Maybe too close together, maybe? I have the pink ones too. I don't know. I feel like the crystals might be too light, but make it very dainty. Or I could do 1 pearl and crystals on either side. I don't know. Maybe we'll try that. I'll have to get another. People are playing the piano. Alrighty. It's spring break here, so lots of interruptions, and that's okay. I'm happy to have my son's friends over, neighbor kids, and they're having fun, and just made some peanut butter and jelly. Oh yeah. So. Okay. Now back to our super duper looper scooper booper. And you just gotta get as close as you can and hope to not break your crystal. I know, it leaves a lot of metal, but it's easier sometimes to just use one size, or I could have made my own too. It's a possibility. But I'm just gonna do all 6 right now. Alright, the other earring. right, let's attach these suckers and then we'll be done. I'll just have to make sure I attach them all the same way. So you see my nails are all ready for the holiday coming up. So maybe next week we'll do some shenanigans. In my live for St. Patrick's Day. I love Color Street nails. That's where these are two different years of St. Patty's nails. So I don't know if you can hear the kids upstairs, but they're yelling at our Alexa, telling it what to play. Might have to go help them here in a minute. They were fighting a second ago. All right, got one down, one to go. Make sure my computer is not going off on me. That happens often when I'm making films. It goes to sleep. Oh, I got a fuzzy on my pliers. Trying to make sure I put them all on the same direction. I am so excited, friends. I'm at 464 followers. So close to 500. I would love it if you guys could help me maybe get to 500 by Monday. That would be really cool, but soon. Okay. Now, gotta add the ear wires. So these metal components are not from Potomac. They're just something I had in my stash. So I don't know where they came from. Just pretties, or somebody gave them to me. I'm not sure. But there we go. Pretty dingle dangles. And this one, because we have silver, we're gonna put silver on. They're still fighting on me about the Alexa up there. I might have to go up, do some regulation stuff. But we're almost done here. Let's see if I can get this done. Uh-oh, did I put them on different ways? I think I did. Yeah, I just want to flip the ear wire so all the beads, like the way I did the loops, are all going the same direction. Remember, up and down, not side to side. I'm just flipping this around. That should do it. Sometimes it's the little details, right? There we go. Now they're both. And they would go very nicely with the sweatshirt I'm wearing. Nope, and there's Bailey. Because I'm wearing a sweatshirt with peach in it. Alrighty, folks. And there you have it. There's our earrings for today. Thanks for joining me. and I look forward to seeing you next time.